I'm Vishal Krishna, the co-founder of the UpStreamLife.com. We are here to talk about the changing face of retail tech, how AR, VR amplifies customer experiences. Talking about this with me is Sourabh Paithane, the Senior Director of Product Management and Catalog at Myntra. Let's find out how AR, VR is changing fashion today. Saurabh, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm really keen to do this interview because you've been in Myntra the longest and you've seen how technology has changed with customer needs. Let's talk about that.
So I have been in Myntra for last 7-8 years. What I have keenly observed is that at Myntra we keep customer at the front and the center when we design any experience on our app or on our storefront. The customer experience has significantly evolved right from the home page where we show right selection of the products to the customers, showing the right set of imagery, showing the right set of videos, ending up into seamless last mile as well as returns experience. Since we have kept customer at the center, all these experiences have evolved significantly over the period of time.
And when you say time progressed, how would you say the customer experiences have changed?
We have also been able to showcase some of the influencer content on our PDPs, which has immensely helped customers actually to look at the product more holistically and make the right purchase decisions.
And customers like this journey?
We have observed our customers liked it, they love it. When we meet them in person, they are actually very positive, as well as in terms of the way they interact with those features or the way they kind of look at those features, which has actually helped us to keep investing more and more in these features.
Let's talk about AR, VR. Is it a game-changing technology? It's been around for a while.
What works well with our set of customers. AR, VR as a technology, as a solution fits exactly right in that. We believe that AR, VR helps customer to actually look at the product in the online setting from more nuanced ways, right? They can visualize the product little better. It eventually helps them make the right purchase decision. So to answer that, yes, I think we will keep investing, we'll keep evolving our AR, VR technologies as we go forward.
Okay, talk about the interesting experiments that you've done on AR, VR. What's the kind of work that you did 3-4 years ago, and now what's the reality with AR, VR?
We have been able to actually launch a few experiences in the space. We have an apparel try-on experience which is live on Myntra currently. We also have a beauty try-on experience which is live on Myntra. On apparel try-on experience, customer can actually see the product in the body shape they wish to see it on. We have given those options that customers can play with to understand the product a lot better. What we have launched is the makeup try-on, wherein you can switch on your live camera and customers can, let's say, try on a lipstick and try out different shades of lipstick and choose what she likes based on that experience.
Okay, you talked about apparel try-on and the beauty experiments that they could do. How technical can you get? What are the types of data that you need to get that perfect fit or that perfect makeup on your skin? How does that happen? You're an engineer, so can you tell us a little bit about that?
We have actually been using a lot of in-house proprietary models, as well as we are leveraging on a lot of partnerships in the outside ecosystem, trained data science engineers who are actually developing our proprietary machine learning models. The customized Myntra offering that they can actually provide to us get better over the period of time, thereby delivering the superior experience.
Does the machine learning algorithm capture data on the skin tones required for the beauty makeup experiments that happen on AR, VR?
Yes, I think at this point in time, it's very important for, let's say, that ML model to understand where your eyes are, where your lips are, and at the same time be accurate when somebody applies or a shade gets applied, so that it doesn't kind of spill over, I would say, right? As more and more data gets into developing those models, it starts becoming more and more accurate.
What are some of the technologies that you use to deploy NLP?
We have a team of data science engineers. I think they are working on developing different proprietary models. So we look at what models are available in the market. We apply a layer of our customer intelligence. We train humongous amount of data on top of that. Those models are developed.
Okay, and when you say humongous, give us a sense. This is for the audience watching it, the younger audience. These are zettabytes, terabytes. How does it work?
I would say that data is in the form of number of clicks, number of impressions on the app. And let's assume that in a day that X million customers visit our app, and so many customers would have created an impression. They would have interacted with an app in a certain way. How they have interacted, what kind of data is flowing through that interaction.
And that is exactly what the changing face of retail tech is. I mean, you use all these impressions and clicks to create a customer journey, and you guide them through the buying process.
I would say it's a two-part journey. First part is that we are extremely keen on investing in such tech, right? So it kind of comes from our intent as well, where we want to kind of genuinely make innovate and make customer experiences evolve over the period of time. We have great set of engineers who can actually deliver the great outcomes, and the combination of these two is what will continue.
When you're building something as real with AR, VR, it's almost like you're getting, in virtual reality, you're getting that reality that you experienced in a shop in the old days. What are some of the skill sets that people need to build these models?
Starts from understanding what customer wants or what are the industry trends that potentially are happening, which can change the shape of fashion going forward. So first of all, we need skill set to be able to understand and articulate that kind of changing industry needs. Product management, wherein product managers would understand and design the solution looking at Myntra customers on the app. Data science counterparts execute that particular construct on the app. Supported by a brilliant design team, the UX design team. The UX is impeccable, right, in the entire journey. We also look at metrics. We also feedback those metrics, learnings from those experiences to keep improving. Our analytics team is also involved. So if you look at it, it's a lot of skill sets coming together in an effective way to actually make this work.
It's almost like you're saying they need to have a business acumen and a technical acumen combined. Would you appreciate that kind of a skill set?
Yes, very much. And I think all our experiences on Myntra, especially on AR, VR, I would say we have been able to kind of amalgamate those skill sets for the better outcome.
Okay. When you talk AR, VR, we also talk about smartphones and headsets. The customer appreciation, what is their journey? Where is it going to end? Will they use headsets or will they use mobile phones? I think in a market like India, we use a lot of smartphones. Uh, how is that going to pan out?
So I would say Myntra has taken very big, bold bets on with smartphone as a center. Right, our app is primarily on Android and iOS ecosystem, which means that Myntra as a team we have taken very good and a very strong bet on mobile experience using camera for AR, VR experiences, etc. We will continue to evolve. We will continue to observe, and wherever we find any fit into our which can help our customers have a better experience, we'll definitely invest in that technology. Okay.
So, Saurabh, we've talked so much about technology, but I also want to know the roadmap for these technologies in the days and years to come.
Yeah. So as Myntra, I think we will continue to invest in AR, VR technologies. We strongly believe that the AR, VR technologies will help customers interact in a lot more efficient way, in a lot better way with the online world. Gen Z, millennial customers coming on us, we only believe that it will actually become a habit.
Thank you so much for being on our podcast.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.